Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Stremio on Amazon Firestick and Android TV or Google TV. So Stremio is a popular media player that works with add-ons, making it a convenient way to organize and stream content from different sources. So let's start with Amazon Firestick. Since Stremio is not available on the Amazon App Store, and you'll need to install it using the Downloader app. So open the search option on your Fire Stick and find the install downloader. Then go to settings, My Fire TV and About, and click your device name several times to enable developer options. And after that, open the developer options and allow installs from unknown apps for downloader. Launch downloader, enter the Stremio download code or URL and start the download. So once the file finishes downloading, select install and wait for the process to complete. When it's done, you can remove the installer file to free up any storage spaces. Now for Android TV and Google TV, open settings, go to system, then about, and tap the Android TV OS build several times to enable developer mode. Next, install the downloader app from the Google Play Store. Open the downloader, enter the Stremio download code or URL, and download the app if prompted, and allow installations from unknown sources, then complete the installation. So once it is finished, return the home screen and then launch Stremio. And then you can now sign in and start setting up your preferred add-ons. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.